Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, and today I am back with a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this beautiful half up, half down. I am going to be using a 22-inch hair extensions, but you're more than welcome to recreate this style without them as well, and it'll look just as beautiful. So to begin all hairstyles, I like to prepare them with heat protectant. This one is by Ca. I will be linking the items down in the description box so you're able to purchase these if you like to. Next off, I'm going to start parting the hair. For this hairstyle, I'm going to begin parting the crowning area, and then I'm going to do 2 separate partings behind the ears. For the next section, I'm going to do horizontal parting on the bottom part of the hair and section away the rest of the hair. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using the Sexy Hair Hairspray 8x8 in Hold and Shine. And I'm also going to link it on the description box. And I'm going to go ahead and spray this on the root area and begin to tease upward. Since I'll be working with hair extensions, it is important to build a base so the hair extensions have a good grip and they don't slide down throughout the day. Remember, this hairstyle is a half up, half down, so it's important to prevent the hair extensions from slipping. Also for this hairstyle, I will be using a 1-inch barrel. This one is from Hot Tools. We'll also link it on the description box. I'm going to begin by curling. For this step, please do not use any hairspray before curling the hair. It is not good for the hair. For this hairstyle, I am going to be curling in different directions, right, left, just to create more dimension and volume. If you still don't know how to properly curl in both directions, I will link a video on my description box on how to properly curl in both directions. After I'm done finish curling and I remove the tool from the hair, that's when I spray the hair. Now that I'm done curling the bottom part, I'm going to take my hair extensions. I am using a 22-inch hair extensions. I dyed them myself. These are clip-on hair extensions. I'm going to take the track that has 2 clips because this is a small part on the bottom back area. It'll fit just fine. I'm going to begin to curl these. Remember, opposite directions, right, left. And when I'm done curling, I'll be back to update you guys on the next step. I am now done with the first row. I added another track, and now I am going to do a vertical parting about a thumb wide, and I'm going to go ahead and section that as well towards the face. Now that I'm done with my vertical sectionings, I'm going to go back and do another horizontal section. I will repeat the steps. I'm going to apply hairspray, tease that area, curl it, then add the clip-on hair extensions and curl those as well. On this section, I added the track that has 3 clips. I'm going to speed up this process since I'm only curling, then I will be back and update you on the next step. As I stated before, we are going to repeat the process. We're going to section the hair in horizontal partings. We're going to add hair extensions curl, and we are going to do this until we get to the top crowning area. Earlier, we did an additional vertical parting, and this section here helps to cover up any visible tracks or any visible teasing. So taking small sections from the bottom area, I'm going to begin to curl facing the left or away from the face. Now that I'm done with the side, I'm going to move back to the crowning area, and I'm going to do horizontal partings to create the proper teasing. For the teasing technique, I'm going to brush the hair upward. I'm going to spray front back, and I'm going to tease the hair all the way down. Once I'm done teasing the hair, I'm going to bring it back, section it in small strands, and curl those in different directions. I'm going to do 3 rows, and I will repeat the process. I will come back once I'm done with my 3 rows. So remember, you will part the hair, you will tease it, then you will curl the hair, then you're going to spread the hair evenly. Now that I'm done with my teasing, I'm going to grab another horizontal section, but this time is going to be a little bit thicker than the other partings, and this is going to be used to cover all of that teasing area. Next, I'm going to take my hair straightener. I'm going to straighten about half of the hair, and the other half I'm going to curl it in different directions. Now that I'm done curling, I'm going to lay that flat over the crowning area, and I'm going to spread that hair that I just straightened to cover up the entire teasing area. Once I love it, once I'm comfortable with it, I'm going to go ahead and pin at the back area. Now that I pinned my teasing, I'm going to go ahead and place my crown and secure it to the back. Now that I secured my crown, I'm going to be working on the bottom section first. And for this section, I decided to add some hair extensions just because the length was a little bit off. So to have a better result, I said, why not? Let's just add some hair extensions to the side. So I did went ahead and did some teasing. Then I'm going to apply my hair extensions upside down. So not the usual way we apply hair extensions. They're going to go in backwards. And this is a 2 clip. I didn't have anything smaller, so I'm going to apply that over at the bottom side of the hair that has already been curled, and I'm going to section it in small strands and begin to curl that hair. Since we are working on the side, it's important that we curl away from the face. I'm now done curling the track. Now I'm going to curl the natural hair. All right, we're still working on the first section. Remember, we added the tracks on the bottom part. Then we curled the natural hair. Now I'm adding an additional track of hair extensions. Now that we're done with the hair extensions, I'm going to do a new section and begin to curl. For the sides, I'm only going to be adding those hair extensions on the bottom part because if we add them any higher, then it'll be just harder to cover them. So we're only keeping them on the bottom area. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take the remaining part of the hair and I'm going to section down that middle. I'm going to brush that out very gently. Taking my hair straightener, I'm going to straighten about half of the hair and the other half I am going to curl it away from the face. Now that I'm done curling, very gently, I'm going to apply a flexible hairspray to tame down the flyaways and brush that over to the back side. Now, I don't want to slick this too much, so I'm going to do a really smooth, soft pull, and I'm going to tuck that hair in on the bottom of the teasing and secure it with a bobby pin. Over on the back side, I'm going to pick up a few strands and tuck those in on the back part just so they could be part of the flow of the hair. And I'll show you guys the back part in a second. And this is the final look for this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that I explained to you guys in the proper way that you guys were able to understand over there at home. And if you did, I want to invite you guys to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post a video. And let me know what you'd like me to teach you guys next. Drop your comments down below. Don't forget to check out the description box so you can see some of the stuff that I used for this video today. And again, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again on my next tutorial.